Have you ever pondered the perplexing nature of reality? This question may sound grandiose, but it's one that's been at the heart of philosophical and scientific inquiry for centuries. It's a question that takes us into the uncharted territories of consciousness, perception, and existence itself. The nature of reality is a mystery that has been contemplated by some of the greatest minds throughout history. It's not just about the physical world that we can touch, see, and hear. It's about the mind and the myriad ways in which it perceives and interacts with the world. It's about the abstract concept of existence, the idea that there is something rather than nothing. Consider the enigma of consciousness, for instance. It's the thing that allows us to experience the world, to feel joy and pain, to think and to dream. But what is it really? Is it merely a product of our physical brain, or something more? Philosophers and scientists alike have struggled to define and understand it, yet it remains one of the most profound mysteries of our existence. And then there's the matter of perception. Each of us perceives reality in our own unique way, shaped by our experiences, our thoughts, our senses. But does that mean there are as many realities as there are people? Or is there a single, objective reality that exists independent of our perceptions? Lastly, let's contemplate the abstract concept of existence itself. Why is there something rather than nothing? Why do we exist? These are questions that go beyond the realm of empirical science and venture into the realm of metaphysics. They are questions that may never have definitive answers, but that doesn't make them any less important or intriguing. As we begin to explore these fundamental questions, we soon realize that reality is not as straightforward as it seems. It's a complex, multifaceted concept that defies easy explanation. But that's what makes it so fascinating, so worth exploring. As we delve deeper, one might realize that reality is more complex and multifaceted than initially perceived. The nature of reality has long been a subject of philosophical deliberation. Throughout history, great minds have grappled with the concept, each offering their unique perspective on this profound matter. Let's delve into a few of these philosophical perspectives. René Descartes, a 17th century French philosopher, proposed a theory known as mind-body dualism. According to Descartes, the mind and body are two fundamentally different entities. The mind, he argued, is non-physical and immortal, whereas the body is physical and mortal. This dualistic approach to the nature of reality suggests that our mental experiences, like thoughts and emotions, are distinct and separate from our physical experiences, like pain or touch. Fast forward to the 18th century, we encounter Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher who had a different take on reality. Kant proposed that our reality is shaped not just by the external world, but also by our perceptions of it. He argued that our minds actively construct reality by interpreting the sensory data we receive. In other words, we each perceive reality through our own unique lens, shaped by our experiences, beliefs, and cognitive processes. The 20th century brought us Ludwig Wittgenstein, an Austrian-British philosopher who introduced the concept of language games. Wittgenstein suggested that the way we understand and interpret reality is heavily influenced by the language we use. He argued that our language, with its rules and structures, acts like a game that shapes our thoughts and perceptions. This means that our understanding of reality could be different if we played a different language game. These philosophical perspectives challenge us to question our understanding of reality. Descartes, with his mind-body dualism, pushes us to ponder the relationship between our mental and physical experiences. Kant, with his idea of constructed reality, prompts us to question the role of our perceptions in shaping our reality. And Wittgenstein, with his language games, compels us to consider the influence of language on our understanding of the world. These philosophical perspectives challenge us to question our understanding of reality, pushing us to delve deeper into this enigma. In the realm of science, the nature of reality takes on a whole new dimension. The scientific inquiry into reality is like a journey into a fascinating labyrinth, where every turn reveals something unexpected and profound. Let's start with the world of physics, where the quirky realm of quantum mechanics resides. In this world, particles can exist in two places at once, and the act of observation can change the state of reality. This has led to theories of multiple realities, where every decision we make creates an alternate universe where the other choice was made. This concept, while mind-boggling, challenges our understanding of reality, suggesting it might not be as fixed and linear as we once thought. Now, let's delve into the intricate world of neuroscience. Here, the study of perception is revealing that our reality is largely a construct of our brains. Neuroscience tells us that we perceive the world not as it is, but as our brain interprets it. We see colors because our brains translate certain wavelengths of light into visual experiences. We feel pain, not because of some external reality, but because our brain interprets certain signals as discomfort. In essence, our reality is a subjective interpretation of the world around us, shaped by our brains and our experiences. Finally, we arrive at the doorstep of metaphysics, the branch of philosophy that explores the fundamental nature of reality. Metaphysical theories delve into questions about existence and the nature of the universe. Some propose that our physical reality is just a part of a broader metaphysical reality, encompassing realms beyond our perception. Each of these disciplines, physics, neuroscience, and metaphysics, offers a unique lens through which to view the nature of reality. They push the boundaries of our understanding, challenging us to reevaluate our perception of the world around us. These scientific insights provide a fascinating perspective on reality, making us question the very nature of our existence. Where science and philosophy intersect, a deeper understanding of reality emerges. This confluence becomes a fertile ground for the exploration of some of the most fundamental questions about existence and consciousness. Let's delve into the philosophical debates on free will, determinism, and the nature of time. Free will, the idea that we are the captains of our own actions, is a concept deeply ingrained in our psyche. Yet the deterministic view, which posits that every event, including our own actions, is the result of previous events in a cause and effect chain, challenges this notion. Science, particularly through the lens of quantum physics, offers a unique perspective. It proposes that at the quantum level, determinism gives way to probabilities, opening a possible avenue for free will. Next, we turn to the nature of time, a concept that has puzzled both philosophers and scientists for centuries. Is time linear, flowing from the past to the future? Or is it a more complex structure, perhaps even an illusion? Philosophers like Immanuel Kant suggested that time is not something that exists independently, but rather a part of human mental structure. Meanwhile, Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our scientific understanding of time, showing it to be flexible and interconnected with space. Modern scientific discoveries have not only impacted these debates, but they've also broadened our understanding of reality and the human experience. The insights from neuroscience, for instance, have shed light on our perception and consciousness, challenging long-held philosophical ideas. The emerging field of quantum mechanics has pushed the boundaries of our understanding of the universe, prompting us to question the nature of reality itself. The confluence of philosophy and science does not provide us with definite answers. Instead, it enriches the dialogue, offering us diverse lenses to view and understand the world around us. It nudges us to question, to ponder, and to explore the depths of our existence. As we navigate through the labyrinth of reality, both philosophy and science serve as our guides, leading us towards a deeper understanding of the world we inhabit.